Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to combine multiple Excel files into one. Let's start from creating new transformation. Call it combining Excel files. That needs a validator, so we just delete it. Setting up reader parameters. Data source type is Excel. Connection name is source. Selecting Excel file from the source directory. Have a lot of them. The most important part is to specify the mask. Okay. Reformatting source grid. Auto format. Setting field names. Updating writer parameters. Again, data target type is Excel file. Connection name is target. Creating new file. Creating header. Result. Okay. Copied field definitions. And the last step we need to do before running the transformation is to map fields. All done. Let's run it. So you can see total number of records 100. This is because we have 100 files and every single file has one record. Let's check the data. Here's our data. And if we just open it in Excel, here it is. All done. Advanced ETL Processor can convert very complex data into a much more simple format. This can be also automated multiple ways. If you want us to assist you with transforming the data, please post your question on our support forum, and we will do our best to help you. You will find the link in the description. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!